Hi families, I'm going to show you how you will be able to check to see if your child has any missing work. So you're going to be in the Google Classroom, and the reason that I have the screen down so that you can't see everything is because I'm in a student's classroom and I want to give them privacy. But this is an actual student's classroom. You're going to go to this section that says upcoming, click view all, and then you have these options here. You can click assigned to see what work was assigned to your child. Click here to see what work was returned with the grade that I gave them, and click here for missing. So what you want to do is you want to go to missing, and this child doesn't have anything missing. If you go to assigned, if it still says assigned, then that means that the work was not complete. The only reason that it's not coming up as missing is because a due date wasn't issued. So these are usually assignments that are given by one of the prep teachers. If there's no due date, it won't come up as missing. But if you still see assigned, then that means that the work needs to be complete. For my class, for the work from this week, you would go to missing. And if you click on missing and you don't see anything, then that means that your child turned in all their work for the week. But if you do see any items in red that are missing, that's what they have to work on. If you want to see what work they need to do for their prep teachers, you can go to assigned. And if there's anything that's assigned that they didn't do, you can go and have them complete that and upload it. This returned with grade will also show you the grades that I gave to your children or the grades that any teacher gave them after they turned in their work. Okay, so if there's any questions, you can definitely reach me through the Remind app. But again, when you want to find out what work has been missing, you're going to go to your child's Google Classroom page. You're going to go to this box. Upcoming just means, are there any assignments that are in the future that were posted? Go to view all. And these are the different things you can look for. You can look for what was assigned. You can look for what I already graded and returned back. And you can look for what's missing. Go to what's missing first so that you can check and see if your child is up to date with all the assignments from this week. If they're not, then tomorrow before they do their choice board, they can work on their missing work and turn it in. All right, I hope everyone is staying nice and safe. And again, you can send me a message through the Remind app if you have any questions. Bye.